Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. In this session, we will complete NCERT exercise 5.2 and another two topics I would like to cover, that is types of angles. Okay, so let us start with the first question, 5.2 exercise. What fraction of a clock revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from? Okay, in the previous class I told you that if one right angle, if suppose one right angle is there, then the fraction is 1 by 4. Okay, if it is two right angles, then the fraction is 1 by 2. If three right angles, then the fraction is 3 by 4. Okay, so like that we have to first identify कि वो one right angle है कि two right angles है. I repeat again, one right angle, the fraction will be 1 by 4. Two right angles, the fraction is 1 by 2. Three right angles, the fraction will be 3 by 4. So the first question is 3 to 9, right? So this is the diagram. See, 3 to 9 means we will at this point 9 से start करेंगे. So how many right triangles we move here from here to here? Two right angles. So I told two right angles means 1 by 2. So the fraction is 1 by 2. Is that clear to all of you, this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now the second one, 4 to 7. See, this is 4 and this is 7. हम लोग 4 से 7 पे हैं, तो यहाँ पे एक ही right angle बन रहा है. Only one right angle we are getting. So I told you that one right angle means what is the fraction? 1 by 4. 1 by 4, right. Now next one is 7 to 10. See, 7 to 10, we are getting here also one right angle. 7 to 10. So here also the fraction is 1 by 4. Right. Okay. Next, 12 to 9. See, 12 to 9, यहाँ से यहाँ तक मूव किए हम लोग. So 3 right angles move किए.
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
Right, 3 by 4, correct. Now the next one is 1 to 10. Again 1 to 10 we moved 3 right angles. So what is the fraction?
1
3
by
by
4.
4. 3 by 4, right.
3
And the
by
last
4.
and the last one is 6 to 3. 6 to 3. देखो यहाँ से 6 से 3 तक यहाँ
Right
पर move
angle.
किया. So this
3
is
by
also
4.
3 right angles.
Right angles.
3 right angles. So fraction is 3 by 4. Okay.
3 by 4.
Okay. किसी का mic on है देखो. Now the next question, where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means one revolution. Two right angles. Okay. 1 by 2 means two right angles. तो हम लोग 12 से अगर start करेंगे, two right angles अगर move करेंगे तो कहाँ पर पहुँचेंगे? यहाँ पर 6 पे पहुँचेंगे. So the answer is 6. Okay. Now the next question is, start at 2 and makes 1 by 2 of a revolution. 1 by 2 again, two right angles. ठीक है, 2 से start किए हैं, देखो यहाँ से, और हम लोग पहुंचे हैं 8 पे. Next, starts at 5 and makes 1 by 4 of a revolution clockwise. So 1 by 4 means one right angle. Okay. यहाँ से one right angle move करता है तो 3 numbers move कर रहा है. देखो 1 1 2 3. अगर 3 numbers move किया तो 1 right angle. 6 numbers move किया तो 2 right angles. अगर 9 numbers move किया तो 3 right angles. Okay. और पूरा 12 numbers move किया तो full rotation. Okay, one revolution. So see यहाँ, see here, 5 से start किया 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 9, one right angle. So only 3 numbers. So it will reach at 8. Now the last one starts at 5 and makes 3 by 4 of a revolution, that is clockwise. Okay. So यहाँ से start कर रहे हैं और हम लोग को यहाँ पे पहुँच रहे हैं. 3 by 4 means I told you 9 numbers. से देखो यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 numbers means यहाँ पे 2 पे पहुँचेगा वो. Okay, so this is the question number 2. Now next question, which direction will you face if you start facing? So first one, we are facing east. तो इस डायरेक्शन में हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर इस डायरेक्शन में and makes 1/2 of a revolution. 1/2 means just now I told. So now we are facing towards east and half means two right angles. So it will move towards, see, one right angles and two right angles. So we will now, where we will face?
West.
West. Very good. So facing east and on making 1/2 of a revolution clockwise, we will face west. Next question. East and 1.5 of a revolution clockwise. So 1/2 means one full rotation and half rotation. तो अभी हम लोग ईस्ट के तरफ फेस कर रहे हैं, देखो यहाँ पर here and one full rotation means ये पूरा full rotation यहाँ पर ले लेता हूँ मैं. This is one rotation and again half means again two right angles. So we will reach at here. So now where we are facing?
West.
Right, same. We will face west. Now sieve it. West and makes 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 means three right angles. तो हम लोग अभी west के और face कर रहे हैं, right? We are facing towards west, this side. Okay. Now anti-clockwise बोला है. Anti-clockwise means उल्टा जाना हम लोग को. 3/4, three right triangles. 1, 2, 3.
North.
So where we will face now?
North.
North, right.
North.
Facing west and on making 3/4 of a revolution, anti-clockwise we will face north. And the last one is south and make one full revolution. पूरा full revolution. अभी हम लोग south की ओर देख रहे हैं. Okay. So now we are moving full revolution. Means पूरा complete one circle. Now where we are facing?
South.
Right, same place, south. We will face south again. Okay. So this is the last question of question number 3. Now we'll move towards question number 4. Which part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing first east and turn clockwise to face north? चलो, अगर एक right angle होगा तो 1/2, दो right angle होगा तो एक right angle होगा तो 1/4, two right angles होगा तो 1/2, three right angles होगा तो 3/4. So now we are facing east. Okay, and turn clockwise to face north. देखो east यहाँ पर है. This is the east. अब यहाँ से हम लोग clockwise turn कर रहे हैं, north तक जाएंगे. So how many right angles we have moved? 3. So the fraction is 3/4 of a revolution. Right? So now the next one is south and turn clockwise to face east. So we are facing towards south. तो ये south की तरफ face कर रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ पर. Okay. So clockwise move करना है और east पे आना है. तो start कर रहे हैं हम लोग. 1, 2, 3. Now we will reach east. How many right angles we move? 3. Again 3. So same 3/4 of a revolution. Now the next one, west and turn clockwise to face east. So now we are facing towards west. And clockwise we are moving towards east. So how many right angles?
2.
2 right angles. So 1/2 of a revolution.
1/2.
Right. So now the next question. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. See, 3 से 6 के तरफ आया. So कितने right angles हैं इसमें?
One
One.
right angle.
Only one right angle. Right. Now the next one is 2 to 8. So 2 to 8. देखो 2 से start किए और 8 पे आए हम लोग. So how many right angles here?
2 right angles.
2 right angles. Very good.
2 right angles.
Next is 5 to 11. 5 से 11 की तरफ आए. So here also we are getting straight line. That means 180 degree. 2 right angles. Next is 10 to 1. देखो 10 से 1 तक आए. So how many right angles here?
One right angle.
Only one right angles. Right. Only one right angle. Now 12 to 9. 12 से 9 तक आए. यहाँ पर आए देखो. 12 से 9. जो blue color का जो दिख रहा है, that angle. So it is 3 right angles. Okay. 3 right angles. Now the last one is 12 to 6. Again straight angle, straight line मिल रहा है. So that means 2
2 right
right angles.
2
Right.
right angles.
Okay. Now question number 6. How many right angles do you make if you start facing south and turn clockwise to west? चलो इसका हम लोग करते हैं. पहले हम लोग साउथ के तरफ फेस किए. दैट मीन्स वी आर फेसिंग टुवर्ड दिस वन. नाउ वी आर मूविंग क्लॉकवाइज टू वेस्ट. सो क्लॉकवाइज टू वेस्ट. यहाँ पर वेस्ट यहीं पर है. सो हाउ मेनी राइट एंगल?
One right angle.
Only one right angle.
One right
Right.
angle.
Now next is north and turn clockwise to east, anti-clockwise. So अभी हम लोग नॉर्थ पे हैं, यहाँ पे इस डायरेक्शन में हम लोग, और हम लोग एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मीन्स इस डायरेक्शन पे मूव करना है, उल्टा. ओके, क्लॉकवाइज नहीं. 1 2 3. अब ईस्ट पे पहुंचे. सो हाउ मेनी राइट एंगल्स? Three right angles.
Three
Right.
right angles.
Next is west and turn to west. अभी वेस्ट में है और हम लोग को यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन नहीं दिया है. यूजुअली हम लोग क्लॉकवाइज यूज करते हैं. सो देखो 1 2 3 and 4. How many right angles? 4 right angles. Right.
Four right angles.
Now last one, south and turn to north. Right. So here south से north की ओर जा रहे हैं. Even if you move towards anti-clockwise, then also two. Even if you move clockwise, then also you will get 2 right angles. Okay.
Two right angles. Two right angles.
Right. This is question number 6. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Where will the hour hand of a clock stops if it starts from 6 and turns one right angle? मैंने कहा था right angle means 3 letters, 3 numbers. So 6 के बाद 7 8 9, और 2 right angles means 6 numbers. So 8 के बाद 6 number कहाँ पे आएगा? देखो 9 10 11 12, again 1 2. Okay, that I will show you with the diagram. 3 right angles means 9 numbers. So 10 के बाद 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now the last one is from 7 and turns through 2 right angles, 2 straight angles. 2 straight angles means 360 degree. तो वापस वो 7 पे आ जाएगा. So let us start with the first question. From 6 turn through 1 right angle. So this is the figure. 6 से 9 तक आए. देखो एक right angle मैंने कहा 1 2 3 numbers पे जाएगा. So it is it stops at 9. The second one from 8 and turns to right angles. तो straight line. 8 का जो straight जो line मिलेगा, देखो इस फिगर में 8 का जो straight line मिलेगा वो ये वाला मिलेगा 2 पे. ठीक है, 2 पे मिलेगा. 8 से 2 पे यहाँ पर आके. Next one from 10, 3 right angles. So 10 से 3 right angles. I told 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it will come to 7. देखो यहाँ पर 3 right angles. तो 3 numbers पे 1 right angle, again 3 numbers पे 2 right angles, again 3 numbers पे 3 right angles. So it will stop at 7. ठीक है. अगर 7 से कोई start हो रहा है through 2 straight angles. 2 straight angles means one complete rotation. So the last third answer is also 7. This is clear. Fourth one. ये समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? 7 से स्टार्ट हुआ और 7 पे कंप्लीट हुआ. 7 पे आके रुकेगा वो अगर 2 स्ट्रेट एंगल से होगा. मीन्स 360 डिग्री. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अनदर टॉपिक, angles, acute, obtuse and reflex. So we'll start with the first topic, acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 0 but less than 90 degree. Okay, an angle whose measure is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree is called acute angle. See one example, 60 degree. 60 degree, this angle is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. So that is why 60 degree is an acute angle. Okay, and we can see some acute angle in our day-to-day life also. I will show some few examples. So what is this? A piece of
Watermelon.
Yes, a piece of watermelon. See, this is an acute angle. This is less than 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. This is also when you go to highway, some crossroad you will get like that, and see an acute angle is formed between these two. And Caesar also you have seen, In between also you will get one angle which is an acute angle.
Acute angle.
Okay, and in watch also we have seen clock, आवर हैंड और मिनट हैंड के बीच में भी देखो यहाँ पे एक एक्यूट एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है. सो दिस
Yes,
फोर
sir.
एग्जांपल्स आर टेकन फ्रॉम डे टू डे लाइफ. नाउ this is acute angle. Now we'll move towards obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So take an example of this one angle 140 degree. So 140 is greater than 90 but less than 180. So 140 is an degree is an obtuse angle. So we can see in our day-to-day life this angle also. See one example. See here the angle between these two is more than 90 degree but less than 180. So this is an example of obtuse angle. So cloth hanger देखे हो सब लोग, cloth hanger के बीच में भी ये जो angle है, so this is also more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this is also an example of acute angle. And in clock also we have seen, so this angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this is also an obtuse angle. And staircase you have seen, see here this angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this angle is also an example of obtuse angle. Okay, so now we are moving toward the last topic, reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle is an angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. 180 से ज़्यादा but 360 से कम. See this example. 220 degree. 220 degree is greater than 180 but less than 360. So 220 degree is an example of reflex angle. So we can see in our day-to-day life also this angle. So compass, divider को जब हम लोग spread करते हैं तो ये जो angle form हो रहा है यहाँ पर, this angle what we are getting, that is an reflex angle. This is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. One more example is there, clock. See this angle. This angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. And this is an example of pizza also. This is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So these are some few examples of reflex angle. Now let us see one example based on identifying the triangle. In the figure, identify the type of angles by observing the angles. See the angles. Now let us see one by one. So which type of angle is?
Acute.
Acute angle, right. And this angle?
Straight angle.
Straight angle, right. What about this angle?
Acute.
Obtuse angle, right. Obtuse angle. And what about this angle?
Reflex angle.
Reflex angle, right. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving toward the last section, that is assignment questions. So only 4 questions are there. I will post through Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.